just like Crumb Boss. Crumb Boss, is that your? That's an original.
That is the original.
That is the original
pastry bag from Crumb Boss days.
Well, if things get better, we're gonna be selling those, a couple million a piece.
Or if things get worse, we're gonna be selling them.
Yep. Basically. No.
All right, I just have a little bit of cream cheese icing in this pastry bag, and I'm gonna top it.
Nellie and Joe's famous 100% key lime juice from concentrate. You know, I like key lime things, but so the Crumb Boss, what are you making today? Oh, I'm gonna fall over. Go ahead.
Well, it's got to be something key lime, doesn't it? Because I am using this key lime juice.
Is that vegan juice?
Yeah, I sniff everything now.
Oh, you do?
I always sniff everything before I eat it or cook with it. Can we just take a minute to acknowledge that?
What?
I need a facelift. Watch this.
What? I thought she was going to go on a vegan presentation, and she goes, I need a facelift. Oh, my God.
Look, I'm 50 now. Okay?
No, she's not 50.
Okay, but watch this. Just a little.
Yeah. All right.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Right?
Amazing.
Little tuck behind the ears.
Yeah. All right, but you're not getting one.
I know.
All right, just relax. You can't
donate to my Patreon account, please. I need a
Okay, donate to the Patreon account. We don't have one yet on Crumb Boss and Steph, the producer. We don't have anything.
All right, we're going to make key lime pie on a stick. Maybe. You didn't bring the sticks. We'd have to go find some sticks. We're on this thing where it's like, put it on a stick, it's cool.
Yes.
But if we don't do the stick thing, don't worry about it because this is going to be amazing.
Okay.
So we're going to do a really quick, this is a no-bake recipe.
Oh, no-bake.
No-bake. It's super simple. You probably have everything already, well, except for this, because who the heck has this just laying around? But
yes.
That's why
I thought it was coffee.
No, I know. Well, it already expired a couple of months ago, so we've got to use it up. That's why I wanted to do this recipe.
Okay, so before we expire, too.
End of summer, yeah.
Yes.
Right. So real quick, we have to do a crust. And so I have some melted vegan butter in this bowl.
Yes.
I honestly didn't even measure this stuff, so I'm kind of winging it today with this. Graham cracker crumbs.
Oh.
A little bit of sugar.
Wow, look at that.
And like I said, I didn't measure it, so I have to just kind of eye this and see how it goes. But
okay. That looks good.
Yeah, it's just to make the graham cracker crust, and I'm going to press this into the bottom of my little mold.
You still know how to do it. You don't miss a beat.
Yeah, I didn't measure. I don't know why I didn't measure.
I tried to eyeball some of my old-fashioned recipes from years ago, and when I try to eyeball it, I just eyeball it.
Right.
It's just like, uh-oh, what are you going to do?
All right, so yeah, basically what I'm going for is the consistency of wet sand. So, you know, when you're on the beach and you want to build a sand castle,
yes.
You need your sand to be the perfect consistency for packing it into that pail.
Yes.
So that's what we're doing here.
Well, do you know something?
What?
Last week when I got stung by a jellyfish on Martha's Vineyard, I was supposed to use wet sand
on
the jellyfish sting on my leg
for
a half hour, and then you scrape it with a credit card, the jellyfish sting out. I was stung pretty bad. I was stung for about 14 hours, and it was unbelievable. But
I would have just peed on you, because that's what I thought you were supposed to do.
Yes, I know. I did try to do that, but it didn't help.
Tried to pee on yourself?
I did, and it was just like, I kind of started smelling unusually, but I know.
So actually, look at that.
It's bad. I did.
All right, so this is a good consistency. Let me just grab my little mold that I prepared ahead of time.
Okay, sounds like a plan, Crumb Boss.
Yep,
we got it right over here. Da-da. There we go.
All right, and because it's no bake, and we're just molding this into this, I have these, I don't know if you remember these, when we used to do cold preparation molded desserts, where this is like a little acetate cake strip.
Yes.
So that's just going to help us get this out of here really easily.
Okay.
So I am going to just put little, tablespoons full into each cavity.
So this is the base of the
key lime pie.
The key lime pie.
But this is little individual ones that we're going to do. And either we'll put it on a stick or we won't.
Okay.
But either way, it's going to be so good.
Okay, and everything's vegan.
Yeah, everything's vegan now.
And if you want vegan recipes, go to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.
That's right.
.com and you can find out. And if you want to walk around the world and find diamonds and gems in the woods,
jellyfish stings,
and random pearls, you know, just go on Funhouse.
Wow, look at
TV.
this. I still got it.
Yeah, you eyeballed it.
And it's almost, oh, sorry, that's loud.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
We're in a kitchen. Look at that.
Wow, this was like a perfect amount. Man,
yes.
Listen, you could take the Crumb Boss out of the bakery, but you can't take the bakery out of the Crumb Boss. I'm going to use that line until ad nauseum. All right.
Oh my God.
So here was my, because I did do a little test last night, and so I was like, all right, how am I going to press this down though? I don't have a tamper.
I thought you said a tampon.
Well, maybe I could use a tampon. MacGyver.
Yes.
So I have a protein scooper from my protein powder.
Okay.
Look how perfect this is.
Let's see. Oh, that's perfect. So you push it down.
Look at that. Whoops, I just ruined this one.
Okay, let's just focus on this one.
Yeah, look at that.
That's so cool.
I know. All right.
So the acetone holds the paper, holds the stuff together.
Yeah, it's an acetate cake strip. It's food grade, and it just kind of...
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Now, you don't bake this.
No, this is a no-bake recipe, so you don't need to turn on the ovens. All you need to do, we're going to cook this custard on the stove, pour it right into here. Once it sets, they pop right out of the molds and they're ready. That's how easy this is.
Wow.
I keep popping this out, though.
Yeah, well, it's okay, though.
This is Crumb
Boss TV. What else can you ask for, right?
All you need is a stick and a ruler and
your hands.
And
your hands are your best tools. I learned so much from the Crumb Boss.
I know.
I learned how to make cake pops. I learned how to make a mess.
Yep,
I never,
sure did.
you know, it's not that I don't like to cook, Gretchen. It's just that, like...
You hate to clean it up.
I just don't know how. And then you have to buy all these magical things. Like, there's 18 things here to buy to make this.
All right. Let's see. Hopefully I didn't ruin this too much. But we're going to set this aside. I'm going to pop this in the fridge, maybe.
Okay.
If I can fit it. My fridge is completely
Tofutti cream cheese.
Yes. Tofutti brand is a vegan cream cheese that, in my opinion, isn't really delicious to eat. Like, I used to love bagels with cream cheese.
Yeah.
So this isn't the greatest brand, in my opinion, to eat like that. But it is the greatest brand to do any kind of baking with. So I do recommend only this brand for baking.
Okay.
And I have 4 ounces in here.
Okay.
I have some sugar mixed with cornstarch here. I've got my soy milk here, to which I have to add now
key lime juice.
the key lime juice.
Okay.
All right.
They have this in Key West.
I know, that's where it comes from. So then I'm just going to add in my sugar and cornstarch mixture.
What are you making, a custard?
Yeah, it's like a key lime. That's what key lime pie is. It's basically a custard.
That's cool.
So let's get this over to the stove.
Okay. So we got that. It's going to go in there. And now what are you going to do, Crumb Boss?
Oops. I'm going to add my cream cheese into that too now. So it's almost like a key lime pie cheesecake.
Okay.
But you really don't taste the cheesecake part of it. It's just sort of an addition to make it really like custardy and thick and rich and delicious. Oh God, I love this so much. I'm so glad you like key lime because I wasn't sure if you would. You're kind of picky with stuff.
Like, I'm sensitive to different things. Yeah. I've always been like that. It's just like, you know, as soon as you put it in your mouth, you're like, whatever. Look, it's back just like the old times.
Yep.
Over the stove, slaving away. There you go.
Now, I'm all about easy nowadays because, and that's the cool thing about vegan baking is really, it is so much easier if you just really give it a try. And it's so delicious. You've eaten some of my vegan stuff already, and you can't even believe that it's vegan.
No, I can't believe it.
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe it's not vegan. Right? No, it's fabulous. Well, all the stuff that you've always made, Crumb Boss, has always been good. I know. It's not like it hasn't been good.
So this is just coming up to a boil. Cornstarch is in there, so it has to activate and really get boiling. This is a little bit of agar. It's agar powder. I don't know if you remember, we used to use gelatin in some stuff. Do you remember that I used gelatin? Gelatin is absolutely disgusting. Yeah. And so this is a vegan version of the similar kind of ingredient where it thickens up your desserts. Okay. And it's made from algae, seaweed, like a seaweed type thing. So it's really cool when you get into learning about these different vegan ingredients and what they do. Yes. We don't need animal stuff to make stuff taste amazing.
Exactly.
All right, so I'm going to add the agar into that. And it is getting nice and hot, and it's going to come up to a boil soon. And as you can see, it's even starting to thicken a little bit. Yeah.
Let me see.
You know what I do notice though when I film my own videos, because now I film by myself for my channel.
Yeah.
And I remember always seeing you on the other side of the camera going like this to me.
Yeah.
To remind me to smile.
Smile.
And I know I need to do that because, oh my, look at when I don't smile.
Oh.
It's so bad.
Oh
That's
my God.
why I need
You're
this.
old. No, I'm kidding. I'm older. No, she's not 50, just so you guys know.
No, so definitely I noticed that even just like in being in the house and I'm like, when I catch a glimpse of myself in the mirror and I'm not smiling and I'm like, ooh, just keep smiling, everybody. It's going to keep you young.
Exactly. And then also we'll give another shout out to the people in America that watch us and all those other countries that watch the Crumb Boss and Steph the producer.
Yeah.
And you know, we rebooting the channel in 2020, so it's been a lot of different videos that are up right now.
Yeah,
that
it's been so much fun. I can't believe people aren't watching it more. I really thought people would be excited to kind of.
Okay, people aren't excited because there's something going on in the world, but once they get excited next summer, it'll probably be bigger because like, you know, everything's just going to be bigger and better next year, right?
Check out this. This has come up to a boil.
Okay.
So I'm just kind of stirring it out. You want to let the cornstarch activate for about 10 or 15 seconds, and then that's it. You pull it off the stove.
Oh my God, that's it?
Yep.
And now what are you going to do?
Let me get this thing. I have to get my crust that I prepared ahead of time.
Okay.
Yeah, and this sets really quickly too, so it's not like we have to wait hours and hours.
No. So what are you going to do?
You know what I am going to do? I'm going to pour it into here so it's going to be easier for me to...
Wow, look at that. Looks good. Getting hungry. Got some soup.
All right, so right in here.
Oh, look at that. That's some money. Doesn't that look delicious? This is just like the olden days. This is key lime. And then what do you do? Just stick it in the fridge?
Yep, and once it sets, everything's going to firm up just like the consistency of a key lime pie. We're going to pop them out of these molds, top them with a little bit of maybe vegan whipped cream or some icing that I have.
This is great. Look at that.
Wow, perfect amount too. Look at that.
I know. You still got it.
I still got it.
You still got it.
All right, so pop them into the fridge and we'll come back for part 2 and eat them.
Yeah, game changer.
Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss. Oh, there she is. So, Crumb Boss, these are already made, and now we are going to look and we're going to taste them, right?
Yeah, we finally have our key lime pot.
Whoop.
My sister's here!
What was that sound? Oh, look who it
My
is.
sister's here!
Look who it is. Wait a minute. I remember you from Woodland Bakery.
Hi.
Yeah, what's your name again?
My name's Adrian.
Adrian. Look, we got Adrian and the Crumb
I don't
Boss.
think I have those videos. That was like the way beginning videos when we didn't really know what we were doing. I don't think we ever figured out what we were doing, but
yes,
she was on like one of the very first episodes, Christmas episode. I'm gonna have to see if I can find that.
Yes.
It was Christmas chaos in the bakery,
Yes.
trying to pack like 200 orders in one night.
yes.
Yeah, nightmare.
Well, you know what? You're in luck. You showed up perfect timing.
I know, and look at her.
Yes, you look fantastic.
No more animals in my body.
No
Tell
more
them how you did
animals.
it. No
I
more
lost
animals.
almost 70 pounds in a year because I stopped eating animals and I got cut.
There you go.
Ripped.
There you go. She's strong. Crumb Boss, aren't you a personal trainer?
Not anymore. I don't know what I am now. The whole world is upside down. Now I just go for a walk in the morning and then eat dessert.
that. Well, Adrian, you're in luck because Gretchen made what are they called? Just like before.
Key lime pie, little miniature key lime pies.
Okay.
We were gonna put them on a stick, but we're gonna forget the stick and just because they're so cute and so perfect, just the way they are. We just made this recipe. They just set up in the refrigerator, and look at how easily now they pop right out of this mold. I'm gonna put it right over here.
Okay. Oh, that looks good. There we go.
Strip.
Yep.
Comes right off.
Look at that, folks. It's all nice and
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Now,
just like old times.
Just like Crumb Boss.
Just like Crumb Boss. Oh, okay. Just like old times. Just like Crumb Boss. Crumb Boss, is that your? That's an original.
That is the original.
That is the original
pastry bag from Crumb Boss days.
Well, if things get better, we're gonna be selling those. A couple million a piece.
Or if things get worse, we're gonna be selling them.
Yeah. Yep. Basically. No.
All right. I just have a little bit of cream cheese icing in this pastry bag, and I'm gonna top each one with just a little tiny rosette.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
And
That, what are you going to do?
I have some vegan little sprinkles.
Nice.
Cheesesteak egg rolls are done.
Oh, there you go. We have a whole restaurant going here today, Adrian. Right?
Just in time.
You came just in time.
We're
Yes.
All right, a little bit of sprinkles. I don't know if I'm going to like this idea. Yeah, I think I kind of do. It brightens it up a little bit.
Yes. A little bit more.
More?
Yeah.
Actually, you have the bad view. Look, this is the better view.
No, but I would just do a few more.
See?
Oh, yeah. Just a couple more. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. More is good.
All right, should we eat them?
Yeah, let's try. Would you like to try a piece?
Absolutely.
All right, Adrian's going to go for it. The
That's
crumb
why
boss.
she's here.
The crumb boss is going to make
them.
it. Go ahead. All right, go ahead, crumb boss. Go ahead, Adrian.
Adrian, eat that one.
All right, ready?
I'll eat this one.
Okay, so Adrian, you go first.
Oh my gosh.
Can you get it? There we go. Crumb boss. Here, stand together. And
Just like the old days,
Aw.
only they weren't cheesecakes.
No,
they
they
were
weren't.
something else.
yeah. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. And we're back. Isn't that good?
Delicious.
Yeah.
It was
Just
so
so, she didn't think it had the right amount of key lime, but I think it does.
Use a little bit more lime.
No, I think it's good.
Really?
Yeah.
It's good.
All right. Perfect recipe. We're gonna maybe I'll put it on my blog. I don't know.
Yeah. But 5 stars?
Absolutely. I'll take 12.
Okay, good. She's going to take 12.
$60, please.
Oh, there you go.
Times are
Alright.
tough.
Oh, just like
that.
old days. All right. What do you got to say, Crumb Boss?
Crumb Boss! Who remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be? In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, 2 friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake. Crumb Boss!
And the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey, everybody! Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Yay! Crumb Boss and producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Gretchen, it's like vomit! Like, people don't eat that! It totally stinks!
So here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, cause guess what's coming back?
Yay!
Better, bigger, and so much more exciting.